Good morning, fam. Yes, good morning. Happy Friday. Finally, we reached the weekend, and it's pouring down here in Houston once again. It rained so much last night. It rained and thunderstormed and a lot of lightning last night, strong winds. Oh man, it was crazy last night. But this morning, it's still raining. It's not like how it was, but little drizzling for right now. Let's see. Too much. But it's coming down. Matter of fact, the camera's getting a little wet. But yeah, they're saying 100% today. It was flooding, showing all on the news last night. Flooding here, flooding there, on that side of town. And there's a lot of school closings today. So why they couldn't close work today though. But the boys here safe and sound. Safe and sound. Then I think we got more rain again tomorrow. 100% rain tomorrow. But it is what it is. I'm here to get the bag and secure the bag. It was just so crazy last night. And the wind is still blowing kind of hard right now. It's a little hectic. There we go. But yeah, it's gonna be a great day today. And I'm looking to get it over with. And ready for the weekend. It can rain all it wants tomorrow. It can rain all it wants tomorrow. But how's it where y'all stay at? Man, Houston it's crazy. It's still a lot of streets flooded. Luckily I didn't run into any this morning. None at all. Like a straight shot. Other than that, if y'all in Houston or wherever, and they're talking about heavy rains and floods, y'all definitely be safe. Y'all be careful. Don't go through no high waters, no floods. Don't do it. Other than that, y'all be safe. And the boy just here at work, kicking back. Waiting on the load to pull through here. Load or pick up, one of the two. But as of right now, your boy just kicking back. Listen to a little sports radio. Houston Rockets. Hopefully the Rockets can split the night. Let's take the game 7. And Rockets can upset the Warriors. No prediction. But other than that, yes, it's going to be a great day. Despite the rain and all, it's going to be a great day. And I hope you guys have a great day, like I said a little earlier. And thank you guys so much for tuning in. Shout out to all the new supporters. Much love to you guys. Just keep it coming. And appreciate you guys for tuning in. And I hope to stay dry. And I hope you guys stay dry too, wherever you are. Other than that, it's Friday. Let's turn up. Let's be great. Let's have a great day. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Your boys out. Peace.